My dear loving students, now I want to discuss some problems from exemplar which are very important for the purpose of first mid-term examination. Find x in the given inequalities. Mod x minus 2 minus 1, mod x minus 2 minus 2 less than equal to 0. My dear student, here consider mod x minus 2 is equal to y. So y minus 1 by y minus 2 greater than less than equal to 0. Then here two cases arises. Y minus 1 by y minus 2 less than 0. तो या तो ये पॉजिटिव या नेगेटिव, ये नेगेटिव या पॉजिटिव. There are two cases. तो y minus 1 greater than 0, तो y minus 2 less than 0. तो y minus 1 greater than 0, तो y greater than 1. And y minus 2 less than 0, तो y less than 2. So the value of y will be 1 less than y less than 2. So 1 less than mod x minus 2 less than 2. So my dear student, this is the case when 1 less than x minus 2. That is x minus 2 greater than 1. So now x minus 2 less than minus 1 or x minus 2 greater than 1. So x less than 1 or x greater than 3 or x greater than 3. Mod x minus 2 less than 2. Mod x minus 2 less than 2. Mod this value. Mod x minus 2 y less than 2. So y is equal to mod x minus 2. And this branch y greater than 1. So mod x minus 1. Y is equal to mod x minus 2. तो y greater than 1, तो 1 less than mod x minus 2. इस ब्रांच का ये रिजल्ट हुआ. x less than 1 and x greater than 3. Now mod x minus 2 less than 2. Minus 2 less than x minus 2 less than 2. So it will be 0 less than x less than 4. So combining the result first, second and 3, we have the required solution set. 0, 1, open interval, union 3, open interval 3, 4, open interval 3, 4. इस तरह हम इसको इस सवाल को बनाए. यहाँ x ग्रेटर देन 3, x लेस देन 4, ये ब्रांच. x ग्रेटर देन 3 और x लेस देन 4, ये ब्रांच. यहाँ x ग्रेटर देन 0, x ग्रेटर देन 0 और x लेस देन 1, x ग्रेटर देन 0, x लेस देन 1, तो ये ब्रांच. दोनों को कंबाइंड कर दीजिए. इस तरह से सवाल को बनाइए. इन दिस वे you can solve this problem. My dear student, I want to solve problem number 3 of the exemplar. If 1 by mod x minus 3 less than 1 by 2, find x. Since 1 by x less than 1 by y, so x greater than y. 1 by 3 less than 1 by 2, 3 greater than 2. Here 1 by mod x minus 3 less than half. Mod x minus 3 greater than equal to 2. Mod x greater than equal to 5. This implies x less than equal to minus 5 or x greater than equal to 5. Since mod x greater than a, x less than equal to minus a and x greater than equal to a. Therefore x belongs to minus infinity to minus 5, union 5 to infinity. But mod x minus 3 is not equal to 0. Mod x minus 3 is not equal to 0. So we put mod x minus 3 less than 0, mod x minus 3 less than 0, mod x less than 3. So x lies between minus 3 and 3. Mod x minus 3 greater than 0, mod x minus 3 greater than 0, so mod x greater than 3 or x less than minus 3 or x greater than 3. So my dear student, now first branch 5 to infinity, 5 to infinity, minus infinity to minus 5, और उसके बीच -3 to 3, ये -3 to 3, x ग्रेटर देन 3, इसी के अंदर आ गया x ग्रेटर देन 3, यूनियन x ग्रेटर देन 3 और x लेस देन -3, x less than -3. So in this way we can write the solution of this equation. Solution of this equation. Question number 4. X minus 1 less than equal to 5. X greater than equal to 2. Mod x greater than equal to 2. Here there are two cases. Mod x minus 1 less than 5. So minus 5 less than equal to x minus 1 less than 5. Minus 5 plus 1 less than equal to x less than equal to 5 plus 1. So it will be minus 4 less than equal to x less than equal to 6. And mod x greater than equal to 2. X less than equal to minus 2 or x greater than equal to 2. X greater than equal to 2 and x less than equal to 6. यहाँ पे हम लिख दिए x greater than equal to minus 4 and x greater than equal to minus 4, and here x minus 4. Yes, my dear student, here from this branch minus 4 less than equal to x and x less than equal to minus 2. X less than equal to minus 2, the upper limit is minus 2. And x greater than minus 4, तो minus 4 से minus 2 के बीच में नेगेटिव वैल्यू में, यूनियन 2 to 6. So my dear student, in this way we can find the solution of this inequation. Problem number 27Q. Solution of linear equation in variable x is represented on number line in exercise 27 to 3. Choose correct answer from the given 4 options. Here in problem number 27 there are 4 options. Problem number 28 there are 4 options. And in problem number 31 there are how many problems? 5 problems. So I want to discuss how it happened. प्रॉब्लम नंबर 27 में 4 ऑप्शन है. क्या है? x बिलोंग्स टू माइनस इन्फिनिटी टू 5 ओपन इंटरवल, x बिलोंग टू माइनस इन्फिनिटी टू 5 क्लोज इंटरवल, x बिलोंग्स टू 5 टू इन्फिनिटी क्लोज इंटरवल ओपन इंटरवल, x बिलोंग टू 5 टू इन्फिनिटी. तो ये वाला होगा डी इज करेक्ट आंसर. कैसे डी हुआ? x का मान 5 से इन्फिनिटी के बीच में, तो 5 इज नॉट हियर, देयर इज ए होल. 5 के पास क्या है? होल है एक, तो 5 इंक्लूड नहीं है 5 से इन्फिनिटी, तो ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट. x बिलोंग्स टू 9 to 2 इन्फिनिटी, x बिलोंग्स टू क्लोज इंटरवल 9 to 2 इन्फिनिटी, x बिलोंग्स टू माइनस इन्फिनिटी टू 9 2, एंड dx बिलोंग्स टू इन्फिनिटी टू 9 2. द गिवन ग्राफ हैज ऑल रियल वैल्यूज ऑफ x ग्रेटर देन एंड इक्वल टू 9 2. ये 9/2 हो गया, इससे बड़ा. My dear student, now I want to discuss problem number 31. State which of the following statements is true or false. पहला, if x less than y and b less than 0, then x by b less than y by b. तो यहाँ तो हम पहले ही जानते हैं b लेस देन 0, तो इससे हम माइनस b से भाग देंगे तो इनइक्वालिटी उलट जाएगा. दिस इज फॉल्स, दिस इज false. X less than y and b less than 0, x by b greater than y by b. So this statement is false. This statement is false, my dear student. These questions are very very important for the purpose of 1 marks. If x y less than 0, product of x and y is less than 0, then x less than 0, y less than 0. दोनों मिलके क्या हो जाएगा? पॉजिटिव. ये तो सही है. सेकेंड इज पॉजिटिव. If x y greater than 0, x less than 0 and y less than 0, x greater than 0 or y greater than 0. एक ही केस इसमें दिया हुआ है, x ग्रेटर देन 0, y ग्रेटर देन 0, ये केस नहीं है, इसलिए दिस स्टेटमेंट इज नॉट ट्रू, दिस इज फॉल्स. देयर विल बी टू केसेस, x y ग्रेटर देन 0, x नेगेटिव y नेगेटिव, दोनों गुना करोगे नेगेटिव नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव. अब फिर x ग्रेटर देन 0, y ग्रेटर देन 0, ये वाला केस इसमें इंक्लूड नहीं है. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स. इफ mod x greater than 5, then x belongs to minus infinity to minus 5 and union 5 to infinity. This statement is correct. This statement is here x less than minus 5 and x greater than 5. Minus infinity to minus 5, union 5 to infinity. ये तो सही है. In problem number 9, mod x less than equal to 4, then minus the value of x lies between minus 4 less than equal to x, x less than equal to 4. Mod x less than equal to a, then x lies between minus a less than equal to x, x less than equal to a. This implies x belongs to minus 4 to 4 closed interval. Hence, the statement 9 is true. So now problem number 10. Graph of x less than 3 is, this is false, less than equal to 3 होना चाहिए. क्या होना चाहिए? Less than. The given graph represents x less than equal to 3. Hence the statement 10 is false. The given graph represents x greater than equal to 0. Hence this statement 11 is true. X greater than equal to 0. So my dear student, I hope you have understood the solution and you prepare yourself in such a way that you can solve the problems of all the objective problems of incoming examination. Thank you very much.